Hi, I'm Katie Skilton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have got something really exciting to share with you. As many of you know, I have been in the craft industry for over 12 years and I've worked with various companies and various products, and I now can announce that I am launching my own brand of craft product, and it is called My Creative Life. So it's going to be very much based on what you know me for, very clean, very simple, cute, pretty designs, and all of this is available over at Craft Stash. I will put all the links in the description so that it's easy to find. So let me introduce to you my latest, or my first collection from My Creative Life, and this is called Gorgeous Girls. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a quick run through it and just show you some projects that I've made with it, just to see what you can actually do with it. So let's start. I'm going to clear these off and we will look through them one by one. So let's start with the all dressed up die set. So this is this lovely die set and it features these ladies. Now you can mix and match them, so they've got arms and legs and lots of clothing. And then you get your floral elements and your gift elements and a little book. And these are all made so that you can mix and match them and they can be holding on to lots of different things. So this is the all dressed up collection. So let me just grab some cards to show you. So there's also some stamps in the range, which I'll show you in a minute, and these have all been included on the cards that I've made. So we'll start with these. So this frame is also another die set that I've got in the range, so I will show you that in a second. But you can see here that the lady can be holding kind of signs and books, and you can use the florals to embellish the cards rather than for them actually to be holding on to them. So that's the first one. Then we've got another one here of the lady holding a sign. This time it's much cleaner. Then I've done a shaker card. So using the Creative Craft Products Heart die, which I'll also link in the description, creating a shaker card with those beautiful kind of fall bouquet and the lady holding it. Then it's another frame card. So this, again, the papers are also in the collection, which I'll show you in a second. So this one's really kind of quite bright and quite out there compared to a lot of them. Then there's another one. So this is the lady holding the gifts. Another one of the lady holding the gifts. And you'll notice I've done it in a couple of different colour palettes here. So I've got a really soft pink going on and then this bright turquoise and yellow. I think it works really well in both of them. So this is the diorama frame die set, and that's also the sentiments you get with that again. There's another one here with a clean and simple background. Another one of her holding the sign. And then finally another one featuring a heart, and this time I've just cut the heart out and popped the lady on the front. So that is all using the all dressed up die set. Now next we have the gift of giving die set. So that's this one, and this is this die set here. So this is hands, and the hands are holding various things, and there's different ways in which you can use that. So you can see you've got your balloons, your cake, again all your florals and the ability to make a bouquet, and then you've got your hands here. So the hands, the dies in the hands have got little holes in, so when you ink through you get the nail detail. So let me show you some inspiration for those. Let's move that one out the way. So there's one with a hand holding the bouquet, one with the cake. And again, the cake is the same. So you can ink through and create this detail on it, just inking through the die. So we've got the balloons. And there's another one of the balloons using the diorama frame die set. So let me show you that one. So this is the diorama frame die set. So this gives you the ability to cut the frame. Obviously the ladies all fit inside, and you've also got this element here which folds in half. It's got a score line. That makes your frame 3D if you want it to pop. And then it comes with all of these sentiments and this lovely banner. So that's this die set here. And as I say, all of these are made to work with the ladies and the hands. Then next up, there's two stamp sets in this collection. So they're both A6 stamps, and there is the Fabulous Sentiments. So this has got all things like born to be fabulous, follow your dreams, spread kindness. There's some birthday sentiments in there. There's some sentiments that work with the die. So there's cake themed sentiments and thanks a bunch for the bouquet themed sentiments. And then there's also the beautiful sentiments. So this is kind of have a great day, make a wish because that goes with the cake. Thank you. Let's celebrate. There's birthday sentiments on them. So lots of different sentiments you could use on all sorts of projects, but they are really made, that they will work beautifully with these. Finally, there is a paper pack. So you're going to have to excuse me because I have used some of the papers from the pack and I haven't got a full page to show you. But this is the front. So you'll see there you've got 6 different designs and you've kind of got the leopard print and the florals. And then you get this topper sheet. So this is kind of like toppers that you can cut up and you can use. And again, they all work beautifully with the girls. And you've got this floral paper. Another floral, and these are all lovely kind of watercolour florals. You've got the yellow spots there. Then you've got this, the leopard print. You can see this is obviously my favourite because that's all I have left of it, so I need to get some more. And then the daisy print. So that is my first collection from my creative life. And as I say, it's called Gorgeous Girls. All of it is available over on Craft Stash and all the links will be in the description. I have also created project sheets. Now I'm going to be putting lots of videos up with content using this collection, but I've also designed project sheets so that you can print them off and keep them if you do, you get the collection, you don't know what to do with it. So the link to that will also be in the description. That's just a download. You can download that and you can keep it with your collection so you know what to do with it. So as I say, thank you so much for watching. It's an exciting time here because there's lots of other launches coming that are planned in, but it's always special when you do your first one. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Please remember to subscribe because there will be lots of content coming with this collection over the coming weeks. If you like this video, please give it a like. Please share with your crafty friends. And I shall be back very soon. See you soon. Bye.